What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to divide square roots. Basically this is the practice number 1. So I'm gonna have some examples. First one is root 27 divided by 6. Answer is root 27 is root 3 times root 9 divided by 6. It's gonna be 3. Root 9 is 3 divided by 6. These two cancel out. It will be root 3 divided by 2. Next example is root 50 divided by 10. Answer is 50 is root 2 times root 25 divided by 10. So root 2 times root 25 is 5 divided by 10. These two cancel out and will be root 2 divided by just 2. Next example, we have root 72 divided by 9. Answer is 72 is 2 times 36, which is going to be square root of 2, square root of 36 divided by 9. Square root of 2 times square root of 36 is 6. Then we reduce it. If we divide it by 3 is going to be 2. If we divide it by 3 is going to be 3. So it's going to be 2 root 2 divided by 3. Next example, it will be square root of 243 divided by 6. Answer is root 81 times root 3 divided by 6. Root 81 is 9, so we have 9 root 3 divided by 6 divided by 3 is going to be 3 root 3 divided by 2. Next example, we have 2 minus root 32 divided by 8. Answer is 2 minus 32 is 16 times 2, it's going to be root 16 root 2 divided by 8, which will be 2 minus 4 root 2 divided by 8. Then you divide everything by 2, it's going to be 1 minus 2 root 2 divided by 4. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.